All right. All right, real quick. We had a great trading session this morning, so we want to hop up online and take a look at those trade setups to see how everything turned out for us. Also, we're going to take a look at the news, see if there's anything going on as far as high volatility. We want to check out those pairs and see how we can execute on them. So let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so first off, before we do anything, TP1 just got hit on gold, so let's stop. Celebrate. Celebrate these wins, okay? It's all about energy, really keeping that energy up and seeing yourself as a winner, feeling it, and making sure that you do your part as far as learning the skill set. And from there, we just let everything happen. So that's TP1 hit on gold. Make sure we close it. All right, cool. From here, let's check out the rest of these pairs. We got some alerts. A lot of alerts that went out. Give me 1 second. Okay. Hold on a second, you guys. Let me. Oh, yeah, we in there. Yo, V. Okay, I had to make sure V was in there. What up, guy? We got a warrior that just jumped in. I know you through SAR. But all right, cool. So we were taking a look at this gold trade we just entered yesterday. So we entered this gold sale during our live session. And right now we just hit TP1 on gold and we are waiting to see what is going to happen from here. Okay, bet. So in the 15-minute, we got a couple areas that we can look at to possibly get another entry on this sale setup. What I mean by that is when we catch winning trade setups, what we've been doing is just finding areas where we could add another trade in versus searching the market, looking for different setups and ourselves in a position to possibly risk more. If we already got something that's for sure as far as a trend, we might as well just milk it. And that's been helping us out. All right, V, what didn't you catch? For everybody that is new to trading and you want to learn how to trade but you don't know where to start, head over to our website, profittakerseu.com, hit that courses tab. You'll get access to these courses once you sign up. That free 9-day course shows you how to set up your demo account, your live account, and teaches you how to place trades. So when you see me online, you can hop on and make money with us, go green with the team, and learn how to make profits without being present. The only thing that you have to do is enter exactly what you see. Like dialing the phone number. I'll give you coordinates over here. Like, hey, put in this red number, that's your stop loss. 2436. Put in this 2417 and we make money. It's just that damn simple. Okay? The only thing is you getting started. So we are going to see what happens when this level on gold is retested. Yes, that is a good stop loss. All right, that gives us 1 to 6 trade, and if this one gets activated, a 1 to 5 trade setup. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's set an alert. It's probably gonna happen around London. We'll see how it goes. I got everything I need to be. In the rest, we're just waiting. Okay. So AUD USD just dropped and hit TP1 as well. So we got TP1 hit on gold, TP1 hit on AUD USD. I'm telling you, man. Win. Y'all better get used to this shit, man. Infinite wins. Y'all hop on. Y'all gonna keep winning with us. The only thing that you have to do is make sure that you get that mindset in order to, number one, not get greedy and just let things happen. And that's what this biggest gem, the biggest gem of our company is for, that structure breaking mindset series. We got a free trial of it available as well. Jump in here, man. It's all about shifting your paradigm, your mindset, and letting that align with the person that you want to become. And it takes discipline to get there. Too many people get into this thing, they see how fast you can make money, and they treat it like it's gambling. And in doing that, having an improper approach, you will definitely get an improper result. So let's see, we got TP1 hit. I believe, since this thing is really looking exactly like gold, that we should take a look at this area right here. It's looking just like gold. As far as this fall to hit TP1, and we got this area that we can see a pullback towards. So let's see what happens. Will price pull back to retest this same structural level on AUD USD? Let's see. So we got a couple different things retesting the 200-day EMA. Okay, now when things start testing this 200-day EMA, especially on the higher time frames, it's threatening a potential reversal of that dominant trend. Let me go out to a higher time frame. So I want you to just look at this purple line. Damn. I know I'm moving fast, but just try to focus your eyes on this one thing. This purple line, it's been moving up, and as it's moving up, it's showing you that the dominant trend for gold has been in an uptrend. Right now we have a retest of this trend line. Now you can either see a break beneath it for price to keep going to the downside, or you'll see a rejection at it for price to continue moving up. All right. And that's what we need to figure out right now. As far as the way things are shaping up, as far as structure and price movement, there's a big chance that we'll see a continuation in this sell. And that's why we took the sell at this area. Like I said, we just hit TP1. We're waiting on the rest of the levels to get hit. So from here, let's monitor this thing a little closer, and we'll see how to respond after the close of these next few candles. So maybe around London session, we'll get up and check out AUD USD and check out gold. Yeah, see, we have a lot of people that run in and run out. Y'all come in and you see something, don't be afraid to ask questions. All right. And again, y'all want to tap in with us, head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. Hit that courses tab, head to the free courses, and sign up for our free 9-day course. Learn how to set up your demo account, your live account, and place these trades so you can come in and get active with us. All right. I said, let's check the news, didn't I? V, did you look at the news already, V? Yeah, big wins, man. Come on, V. Win. Win. Cause what?
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Man, tell them they better get right, man. I'm hyped. This all I got for y'all for the rest of the year. Well, not for the rest of the year until it's time for me to take a sleep, a dirt nap, and come back. This is the only type of energy I got. All right. So looking at this calendar, we don't have any high volatility news until New York session, and that's with CAD. All right, so let's check out some CAD pairs, or the only ones that we trade: Euro CAD, CAD JPY, and USD CAD. From there, we are going to see what we can cook up. So we're already in a CAD JPY buy, and seeing that we got high volatility news coming on this pair, I say that we are in a good spot. What we need to do is wait to see if these highs are broken. Uh-oh, I don't need you right now. These highs right here. So I'm going to stretch this over here. All right, cool. I want to put an alert above it as well. Right here on the 30-minute, we got a double bottom right there on the 50. So we could very well see. Why didn't I have my thing set? Okay, so it looks like we can get a retest of the 50 right here where this double bottom is on the 30-minute. I'm actually going to get up during the London session and monitor this area right here. But I'm also set an alert. CAD JPY. So I'm looking to add to this position. We already got a trade set up open where we had a retest. We're in this trade right here. As soon as price broke above this level of consolidation right here, I noticed that there was a chance that price could possibly pull back and let us in this trade setup. So we placed what you call a buy limit order. And as soon as price came down to hit that order, our trade setup got activated, and you see immediately with this next candle, price pulled back and put us in the profit on this trade setup, okay? So we're doing well on this one. Right now, we just need to see how price responds in this area. We need to see if it's going to use this level right here as support, or if it wants to break and retest this area where the 200-day EMA will be before continuing this move to the upside. So either way is fine. All right, I got on. I love this hoodie, man. This was a V-inspired hoodie. He said, I need in on that one. Oh, yeah, let's get in on CAD JPY. But we got a student named V. He was worrying about how to do something in particular as far as the trades. But with the systems that we got in place, we got a way and a means to take advantage of price no matter what happens to it. Big face hunters, right? V, man, you be hype over here, man. That's the type of energy you have by yourself. But anyway, on this hoodie, we got that ain't this on the sleeves, this ain't that, and on the back we got bitch I'm strapped. Just really saying that we are prepared for any environment in this market. Whether it's moving up, we can get money. Moving down, we can get money. When it's trending sideways, we know how to respond. We know how to treat it. All right, that's why we say infinite wins, man. Let's go. Win, 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 win. Yeah. All right, cool. So we got CAD JPY out the way. Man, I forgot about pound CAD. Damn. Now, this one right here. This one right here. I'm not going to say it hurt my feelings, but it sting just a tad. So I set another limit order in the same way that I told you guys, okay? So price broke a level that I was looking at. I waited on it to pull back. Look at this shit here. And it's a part of the process. It happens. That's why you got to be able to self-regulate. My entry was right here. But the spread wasn't wide enough to activate my trade. So we not missed out, but price moved on without us on this one. So it was there, but not deep enough. If it had dropped, a couple more pips would have got activated on this trade, but this thing hit TP 1, 2, and 3. Oh, man. But it's all good. It happens. But right now, we're at our third TP3. Third TP3. Oh, shit. Boy, them words. You get to falling over the motherfucker sometime. We're at our third target area. And it just so happened to be right here at this 4-hour retest zone. So what we want to see is how price responds. We want to wait. We're going to use the same approach to this trade that we just used in the previous trade. With this being a major level of structure right here. We're going to label this a key level. With price being right here on pound CAD and all of the EMAs moving in a bullish fashion, we need to wait to see what happens on the close. And at this moment, it looks like we can get a break above. Now, depending on what price prints, if it breaks above, that'll let us know how to move when it comes to adding to this position. So this is a trade that we will take either during the London session or during the New York session, but we will take this pound CAD trade set up because we got high volatility news coming out on CAD, and we like to be a part of the fast moves. You got some traders, they say, oh, don't trade the news, and I'm not about to down them for having a different perspective, but we truly understand what we are doing, and we're really accurate. So with us, trading the news just means getting paid faster. And V over here on Facebook, this guy can attest to it. Man, when you sitting down, you put in a trade, you risk $90 on that damn trade, and you see yourself up $700 in like 10 minutes, that's a feeling. And that's when you got to control yourself, not when you lose. It's when you make these big wins and you lose your damn mind. You think that every moment in the market is going to produce an outcome like that, and that's not the case. It may happen, a couple times throughout the month, but for the most part, it's more slow and methodical. It's just once you compound those accounts and continue to win and add on to those wins, that's what gets you there. One block at a time. So the more you risk, the more you make. But that's going to come from you taking your time and not letting those big days throw you off, because it definitely happened to me. So I'm sharing the pain in the story so y'all can find the glory. That shit, Ryan, we got to put that shit on the shirt or something. That's another win. Win. Yeah. I'm silly, y'all. Deal with me. So if we get the highs broken on pound CAD, we got this area right here on the 786 that we can look at. Okay? See, we got a couple new guys that jumped in. If you guys are looking into getting started, we got free products, okay? I'm going to show you this stuff for free. All right. Head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com, and go to the courses tab. Go to fill out the information and head to our free 9-day course to show you how to set up your demo account, your live account. And you'll be able to hop on with us when I go live and take these trades. I give you the exact coordinates, tell you which direction to go, and give you the entries and exits. All you got to do is copy and paste. Copy and paste. Yes, we do have paid products, but man, I do this to give back. Somebody brung me into the trading world. They told me they was going to teach me this. They was going to show me how to do that. And they gave me good material. So that's what I'll say. They didn't fail me. The material wasn't wrong, but they didn't teach me application. And I fucking struggled, man, because they gave me a bunch of shit, opened my eyes to a whole new world, had me singing that fucking song from Aladdin. I was ready to get paid. And then I was fucking everything up. But that's why I get on here, man, to show you guys application, the process that I didn't have, so it can help you guys grow faster. Y'all learn from my mistakes. So we got this level up here on the 786 that we're looking at. Let's go ahead and make this our TP3. Just in case this thing wants to keep moving up, we'll find a couple other targets. Let's find a couple other targets. Cool. So right now what we're looking at is a possible continuation on pound CAD. All right, now we also have liquidity right here. So I'm going to look to see what's down here at the 236, just in case this thing decides to reject at our third target area. Let's see. All right, so we really got a inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. What else do we have? We have two, and one is just so happened to fall on the 382. Yep, a double bottom. So we got a couple areas that can actually get retested. This area here, our original entry could be retested, and this thing could still be in the uptrend. So yeah, we definitely need to wait to see what happens during the London session, because like I said, we can either get this break of trend right here, or it could actually be a false breakout, and that's where you may see a peak above the highs for price to create a higher high, and then it starts to pull back on you to retest the structural level beneath it. Or we can just get a clean rejection. Okay? But what we're going to do is wait. We won't move too quick on this thing. We got a couple more hours before the London session starts. Let's let price develop, because right now, as far as the EMAs, everything is still bullish. But on this 15-minute, we do have our 200-day EMA moving up right here. So if we can get this EMA to get closer to price, along with the 50 and our intraday time frames, with price moving sideways on them, then we'll get closer to that answer. Normally when you see that happening in the market, you're about to get a breakout, and it's either going to be to the upside or the downside. What we are doing is figuring out what to do after the breakout. When you think like that, you have a more of an objective approach. So you're not like, oh, I did my homework and it say price is going down. You know, with all due respect, the hell with your homework. This is a man-made system, so of course it's man manipulated. If you just allow this thing to tell you what it's gonna do, then it doesn't really matter. The object is to be paid and not be right. All right. So once you put that ego to the side and get a clear understanding to what the goal is, then you can be more in flow with the market. Like I said, more reactionary with your trading. All right. Let's let Adolf Hitler and them other people be dictators. We're going to just go with the flow. All right. So pound CAD, we got it set up. Let me set some alerts. One above, one below. Next thing is USD CAD, and that's it. Okay. So what were we looking for here? So we're looking for a sell. Let's see something. So we didn't set a limit order, so I guess we didn't see what we wanted to see on this. Now, what actually happened, let's go over that. Price was moving in range. Price is trading in range, and right here at the highs, on the 30-minute, it left a double top. Okay, so in the market, you'll have these patterns that repeat themselves over and over again. So I know when you hop on, it looks like a bunch of mumbo jumbo, but they do that shit intentionally to intimidate people from one of the easiest things that you can use to scale or use to make your money make money for you. You just got to get over that fear, learn how to recognize these patterns, and go from there. All right, it's all about breaking that fear so you can get over that learning curve. But it created that double top, and price just retested it right here. Now, I'm going to use the same approach. I don't want to dictate which way price is going because it's consolidating right on this 618, and that's a key area in the market. So I don't want to get in my own way. Let's let price tell us and show us what it's going to do on its own. So what we'll do is set an alert below the 618, and we'll set an alert above this area where we have range. From here, whichever side activates first, I will call this trade if we're in the live session. If we're not in a live session, it'll go to the people that's in our group. But I'm going to call this trade, let you guys know exactly how we're going to take advantage of it, and we'll go from there. But this will be it for these trade setups right now. Again, if you guys want to trade with us, we do these sessions live, okay? Daily. They're on the house. It's my way of showing love. If you want to get started, you don't know where to begin, head over to our website, Profit Takers EU, and get access to our free course by adding in your information. I'll show you how to set up your demo account, how to set up your live account. I'll show you how to place the trades and monitor your trades. So when you see me online, you eat when I eat, all right? Learn how to make profits without being present, okay? We also have a few tools available on Amazon for you guys. 6 steps of trading with consistent results. That covers everything that I use in these charting sessions and the live trading sessions. We got our 2 log books to help you by not only logging your trade setups, but also your thought, your emotional state in the process. And then we have the big gem, our mindset series, Structure Breaking. This thing will help you shift your paradigm and help you center your mind so you can realign yourself with the vibration that it takes for you to create the person that you want to be. Along with that, we have our 6-week journal to help you not only visualize it and see it, but write it to speak it into existence so you'll manifest at a rapid rate. All right. Next, we got our merch available, so y'all go ahead and support the dream of the team. And remember that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay, let's
streets, you know.